This should be a required concept for every drummer that wants to play complicated bass drum grooves. In this lesson, I'm going to explain how you can play any complicated bass drum groove and the one concept you need to get it. The problem with most drummers, including myself for years, is that you find a cool bass drum groove and you learn that one pattern, and then you have one cool bass drum groove. And you've just spent all the time learning just one groove. But what if I told you there's a way that you can learn any bass drum groove that you encounter, and you can actually build your own cool bass drum grooves so that you will be the guy or girl that plays that complicated bass drum groove. So let's get into the concept. So for today, we're gonna stick to 16th note bass drum grooves. But the concept is actually the same in any subdivision. So once you learn this concept, you can apply it to anything else. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna run through this sheet all the way from top to bottom, learning to play our bass drum on any 16th note placement in one bar. And when we've been through that whole sheet, I will explain to you how you can actually create your own cool bass drum grooves. You can find the PDF in the description. All right, let's walk through all the options that we have with the bass drums in 16th notes. Now this concept is actually something I dive in way deeper in the Flow Collective, which is my membership and community where drummers from all over the world come together to develop flow, to develop more creativity, and to develop more freedom and confidence in their drumming. If you're interested, you can look it up down below in the description. Now on to the last part is, how do you create your own cool bass drum patterns? Well, I'm gonna give you a few examples, but it's all up to you because you now have the tools, the blocks to build your own bass drum fills. And the only thing you have to do is put them together in a way that it sounds cool to you. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I really hope this helps. Please let me know if this is working for you. And if you're interested in learning more and going deeper into these concepts instead of just learning one exercise, just go down to the description and see all the ways that I can help you to develop yourself as a drummer to the next level. See you in the next one.